ধরুন এটা একটা ট্রায়াঙ্গেল আছে এ বি সি, এ বি সি, D and E are midpoints of AB and AC. So D, this is the midpoint of AB, and E is the midpoint of AC. इसको select कर लीजिए. If BE and CD intersect in a point F, अब ये देखिए, this is BE, देखो, और CD, right? They intersect in a point F. ठीक है. तो and the area of the triangle BCF is 20 centimeter square. See this triangle BCF. Okay, so area of triangle BCF is equal to 20 centimeter square. So we have to find the area of the triangle DEF, that is this triangle. Okay, now see, আমরা জানি যে এরিয়া অফ ট্রায়াঙ্গেল কী হবে, হাফ ইন্টু বেস ইন্টু হাইট, রাইট? নাও আমরা অলরেডি এই ট্রায়াঙ্গেল BCF এর এরিয়াটা জানি. নাও we have to calculate the area of triangle DEF. So we have to, if we are comparing the area of two triangles, and already the area of one triangle is given, so what we know that we have to compare between the base and we have to compare between the height. The base is given here, the base of triangle BCF is BC and the base of triangle DEF is DE. Now because D and E are the midpoints of AB and AC, so we know by the midpoint theorem কি আছে কি, the line joining the midpoint of AB and the midpoint of AC, that is DE, it will be equal to half of BC and also parallel to BC, right? That means DE parallel to BC and DE also will be equal to half of BC, right? So one thing we know, that this base is half of the base BC. Now DE is also parallel to BC. See, say for example, we also have to calculate the height. Say this height is h, right? This is the height, the altitude, and this is the point F, right? So if we extend this line, the same line to this triangle, say, now because DE is parallel to BC, this also has to be 90 degree. Now why I am saying this, because say there are two parallel lines, so this angle plus this angle has to be 180 degree, or we can say this angle is equal to this angle, the corresponding angles. So similarly, if this angle is 90 degree, this angle is 90 degree, so this angle also be 90 degree, and so this angle is also 90 degree. So যদি আমরা একটা অ্যালটিটিউড ড্র করে দিই অন ট্রায়াঙ্গেল BCF and we extend the same line, তো সেই লাইনটাই ওই ট্রায়াঙ্গুলার অ্যালটিটিউড হয়ে যাবে, বাট উই ডোন্ট নো দ্য লেন্থ অফ দ্য অ্যালটিটিউড, রাইট? নাও হোয়াট উই নো ইজ ওয়ান থিং, কি এই যে এফ তে ইন্টারসেক্ট করেছে DC and EB, they intersected at F. So if we draw one more median here, so that is called the centroid, that is the point at which the medians join each other, intersect each other. So F is the median here, and it divides the median into 2:1. So that means CF and DF is in the ratio 2:1. That means we can say CF is to DF is in the ratio 2:1, right? Now see, concentrate on this triangle and this triangle. One is vertically opposite angles, one is right angle triangle, right? So the other angle is automatically equal. So we can say that triangle, see, let's name it, let's say it is P. So we can say that triangle DPF is similar to triangle similar triangles. Okay, triangles DPF is similar to triangle C, और यहाँ पे आप कुछ नाम दे दीजिए CLF, ट्रायंगल CLF. So now see, by the similarity condition we can say that CF divided by DF is equal to FL divided by FP. So CF divided by DF, see, CF is 2, DF is 1. So we see that FL by FP is what is the altitude, that is, say this, if this is H1, this is H2, so we get that H1 divided by H2 is equal to 2:1. So we now have a condition where this base is also half of this base. Now this altitude is also half of this altitude. So when we are calculating the area of triangle DEF, right, area of triangle DEF, so that will be equal to half into half of the base of that triangle BCF into half of the base of the half of the height of the triangle BCF. So we can say that half into area of triangle BCF, and we know that area of triangle BCF is equal to 20. So this will be 1/4 into 20, that is 5 centimeter square. See, area of the triangle is half into base into height. So if B is the base of triangle BCF, H is the base of triangle, H is the height of triangle BCF. So if when we are calculating the new area, this base is half and this height is also half. So overall the area will be half into area of the triangle BCF. So that will be 1/4 into 20 is equal to 5 centimeter square. So this 5 centimeter square is our answer.